and I've done 160 mile. Yeah, and I'm in a car park. I got pay and display. I gotta go and pay yet. I haven't paid yet. But hang on, just let this lad go by. And yes, call me a bloody southerner. I've had to put coat on, jumper on, shirt on, vest on, trousers on, all because it's bloody cold. No, I don't know whether you can see the trees or not, but it's a blowing up here. But there, never mind. I expected it. So right, I'm gonna go have a walk about. I'll find a loo first. I'm busting. The wind is blowing a gale. There, I'll put the camera behind me. Right, look at that. Switch off. Wouldn't want to go in there. Rattling, bloody made it. The boys are rattling. I don't know whether you can hear me. Here's the tower. I'll walk that way. There's the theatre. I'm going to walk that way. Got 5 hours on my parking ticket anyway. Only thing is, I want to go to the loo and it's that way. So, I'll catch you later. All these scavengers. Get off it. Just the time of year, right? That place is bloody totally deserted. But there again, it's not the weekend yet. So I should imagine come Saturday, Friday, Saturday, it'll be bloody heaving then. Oh well. Yeah. Horse and cart. I haven't seen a single tram. Yeah. I haven't seen a single tram. It is blowing a gale. I'm not going in there. Staff just saying she can't swim. Thanks for throwing me in the river, boy. I can tread the water for 5 minutes. Wow, it is bloody drafty. Well, I haven't got my mic muffed. I'm just using the proper Osmo one. Yeah. It is absolutely real windy. Couldn't believe it. I mean, look at the. Well, you can see the seagulls. They're just sat there hovering. Litter pickers. I mean, yeah, it's been a long time since I've been here to walk around like this. As I say, I've always been a bloody bus driver, but it still is run down. This place, I mean, yeah, it's been a long time since I've been to Blackpool, but it's so run down. I mean, buildings come to a stop on there. You know, it's a bloody eyesore. And even all the houses, you know, hotels, you know, there's no way I'd stop in one. Why would I stop in one anyway when you've had 20,000 people sleep in the same bed? At this day and age, no. I'd rather have my van. But I'm totally out of breath. And that tower, of course I've come 2 streets back, because I think that's where most of the things are. And no arm, one armband. But anyway, that Blackpool tower does not seem to get any closer. I don't know whether you can hear me, but it's bloody windy right down under the tower. I'm not going to go up it. My poor little legs are absolutely shattered. So, I'll just see a few more things. I'm going to waddle back and I'm going to go and find a pub park up. So it'll be on the outskirts. Tell you what though, it has picked up in crowds now. And I'm not liking it. I had my tattoo up there when I was a teenager. Go back and beat them up, that's not too many people. So I crossed over just to look up at the Blackpool Tower. Get run over by a tram. I've seen 2 trams. There you go. Albert and the Lion. It's a Witherspoons, I didn't realise that. There, stand behind this thing. It's so windy here. I can see the glass floor and people stood on it. Which I have been up binoculars, I can see straight up their trousers. Right. That's it. I'm going to walk back this way. I'm going to walk down the front. Start going on the other side. Look at the crowds over there now. Make my way back to the car and back to the accommodation. Whether it's because the wind's blowing off. It's the North Sea, innit? The tide's still in. Spyglass. It's probably the only decent looking building here. To me, everything else is they're all grab. Nothing but an arcade, and I mean, I don't mind anybody using arcades, but so many. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see that, but don't correct me if I am wrong. Kids with an S eat free all day, every day. 1 free 10 kids meal per adult. So it's not kids. Only 1 per adult. So we should drop the S. Not that I'm ever politically correct. I had to walk around in there. Nothing but an arcade. There is a bar in there and a cafe. I got a Mackie D's earlier. I know which donkey I'm getting in. I'm alongside another pier now. Don't know which one this is. Fun fair. Yeah. I'm still coming in, look at it. I don't know whether you can hear me through the wind. If it is too windy, it won't go on video. There. Sea Life Blackpool. Get closer. Yeah. Star Trek exhibition. Good boy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is bloody Blackpool. As you can see, that's the centre of Blackpool, and the Shovels is only just on the outskirts. I did have a job to do right down the bottom of the map there. But the Shovels, the review on it was, some were very, very happy, and a lot were very, very unhappy. about waiting times and not very good. I ordered a steak, absolutely done to how I liked it, and they were running an offer and it was buy one get one free, and I thought, well, I can't really eat 2 steak and chips, so I said, I'm coming back tomorrow night, any chance I can? And she suggested it. She says, I'll see what the chef says. Anyway, it came back as a yes, so I went back there 2 nights. Well, I had 2 nights there, and yeah, they held their word, and I ate for free the second night, and of course I drank, you know, got it when you're in a pub, that's where you went there, innit? So yes, the Shovels, it's a very, 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 to me, it was a very nice pub. It was clean, tidy, the staff were incredible. They, you know, served me instantly. They even fetched all my other drinks to the table. They kept coming round. Look, they were watching my glass, and as it went down, and the drink, I couldn't believe it, is cheaper than Witherspoons. In our Witherspoons and the several others I've been into, I drink lager, Carlsberg, when I'm in the Spoons, and it was $2.39 in a Witherspoons, and it was $2.30 there, so it's cheaper than Witherspoons. I was very, very pleased over it. But yeah, they'd got golf. They'd got all the sports playing on the TV. So I'm still out in the countryside, so I'm looking around, chucking it down a rain, mind. There, it's this. It is a Green King, and it's called the Shovels, and it's in Blackpool. There's the address: 260 Common Edge Road, Marston Moss, Lancashire, and it is just on the outskirts of Blackpool. I highly recommend it. They do camper stopovers, motorhome stopovers, not too big a motorhome. You know, just normal small vehicles they can get in there. Yeah, they prefer you to park in the car park to the right of the pub, as they have CBS, is it, motorbike training in the other half of the car park, and they said they have it every day, including Sundays. So if you want to park overnight, you park in a right-hand car park. Anyway, that's it. That's all I'm doing on Blackpool. In the next video, it's all about the van, and I go and refit some signs windows for a lad that got it all wrong. He did a good job, but got it all wrong. Got it all smeared with Silkaflex. So that's in the next video. Thanks for watching.